Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try to not move too much. Okay, I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So make sure you're on the home screen on the watch face, and then use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of glances. Look through the list, see if you have the blood oxygen or pulse oximeter glance or widget right here on this list. As you can see on mine, there is not the widget is not here, and by default it should not be here. So we need to go back to the watch face, press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll down by pressing the down button, find the option called Appearance, select it, then press the GPS button. Here, scroll down, select Glances, and press the GPS button. And now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list, select the Add button, press the GPS. Here, find the pulse oximeter widget. Right here, select it, press the GPS button to add it, and now you can press the back button. As you can see, now the pulse oximeter is right here on the list. So let's go back to the watch face, and now we can press the up button, and we should have the pulse oximeter right here, the widget. Now I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, and once you select the pulse oximeter widget, you can press the GPS button, and it should start measuring your pulse or other blood oxygen levels. So let's wait. And we have our results after a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.